Hey guys, today I'm going to be removing a rear passenger door panel to install a new speaker, and this is a 2017 Nissan Versa SV model. It has the push button to operate the window up and down instead of the hand crank. Okay, so you want to remove this Torx bit screw that is underneath. Normally it's underneath the little cover that fits inside the door handle, but on mine it's missing for some reason. And the size screw requires a, let's see what size, a T20 Torx bit to remove it. You'll want to remove this whole entire chassis piece, and from there go ahead and push down on the tab for the connector piece for the electrics, and it's easy to disconnect, super easy. Go ahead and remove the screw with any screwdriver. I'm using a really old rusted one that I found in my garage. Next you're going to want to pop this little rivet off. Not sure, it's pretty straightforward, it just comes right out. Okay, now you're going to want to pry the door panel off and lift up to get it off. There's like 6 or 7 sort of plastic dowels that hold the panel on. So go ahead and start from the outside and work your way towards the inside. And just be gentle not to break them. They'll pop right out. Okay. And that's it. Install a new 6.5-inch speaker. You'll need one of these attachment brackets that you can get on Amazon. Once you install this to the door, you'll run this wire behind through the frame behind the speaker, and you'll have it connected to one of these wire harness adapters. This will translate and convert and connect your new speaker to the current wiring setup that's inside the door. And you can also get these on Amazon too. You do need to get these, so make sure you have the bracket and the wire harness adapter before you install the new speaker. Go ahead and remove all 3 screws. Just pull the wires with the wire connector adapter off by pulling down on the tab, pulling out. Just pull the speaker off. As you can see, the stock speaker is a piece of shit, so it's good that you're changing these out. You can barely hear them from the front seat. You use the same screws to attach the new speaker bracket, and when you have it attached, don't screw the screws in all the way. Leave them kind of loose because you want the bracket to kind of shift around. Because when you put the new speaker on, there's like this kind of metal flange that's part of the door that sticks out, and you want this to kind of shift around so that when you're attaching the speaker to the bracket, the speaker will fit on properly. Because behind the speaker you're going to have some material that might touch the metal flange and it won't fit on properly. Okay, once you've connected the wire adapter to the kind of wire adapter harness thing, go ahead and connect the wires to the speaker. And right now I can kind of see that the speaker, it does have trouble kind of fitting in there at certain angles because of the way that the door is shaped behind the plastic adapter, speaker adapter. But it's looking good, it's ready for screws. So go ahead and install the screws. Then tighten the outer screws holding the bracket in place. And that's how you do it. The speaker's now installed, and all you got to do now is put the door panel back on, hook the handle back in there with the screws, pop everything into place, and you're good to go. I can't wait to hear this.